Hi students, our next chapter, that is chapter 9, Inspiring Words of Ratan Tata. You all might be knowing about Ratan Tata, right? Ratan Nawal Tata is an Indian industrialist, investor, philanthropist and a former chairman of Tata Sons. He is the recipient of the two highest civilian awards of India, Padma Vibhushan 2008 and Padma Bhushan 2000. He was also the chairman of Tata Group from 1990 to 2012 and again as the interim chairman from October 2016 through February 2017 and continues to head its charitable trust. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to learn what he said during a speech at a school in this chapter. Okay, in this chapter we are going to learn about 10 things are not taught to students in school or college. बातों that you can see this inspiring words novel is came on the newspaper also. बातें जो विद्यार्थियों को नहीं सिखाई जाती. ओके इन दिस जो बच्चों को नहीं सिखाई जाती इन स्कूल और कॉलेज उसके बारे में उन्होंने स्पीच दिया था स्कूल में. ओके, the first one is ups and downs in life are very important to keep us going because straight line even in an ECG means we are not allowed. Okay, so Ratan Tata is saying that we have to use to of the ups and downs of life. In life, things are never always good or always bad. Learn to go with the flow and make the best of any situation. Okay, he is telling that ups and downs comes in every life. Okay, but we have to uh, stay with situation. Okay, walk with the any situation we have to do with any situation. The next second quote is prove yourself. People respect you more if you respect yourselves. Do not show off before you prove yourself. Okay, we never have to underestimate ourselves. We are something, so we have to prove it. We can do everything, each and everything. Third is nothing is free in this world. Nothing is free. For that we have to pay, and for money we have to work hard. So don't think about getting high paying job as soon as you complete your college education. No one can become CEO of the company in one night. For that you need to work damn hard and you need to acquire ocean of knowledge. Do not make the mistake by thinking that you can get a high post or attain overnight success after graduating from college. It takes a lot of hard work and effort. Okay, just you are thinking that if I'll complete my graduate and post graduate, the job will be high. I get the high rate salary like 50,000 per month or 1 lakh per month, but it's absolutely wrong. For that any level we have to do work hard. For example, if you want to become a principal, for principal post first we have the experience of teachers of many years, then coordinators, and then at level we can we can be a principal. Next, fourth one is teacher is better than boss. If you think your teacher is strict, scary, hard, or dangerous, wait until you meet your boss. Your old teachers will seem pale in comparison. ओके, यहाँ पे ऐसा बताया गया है कि योर टीचर इज बेटर देन बॉस. Now you are feeling that my teacher is strict or you might be scary of teacher scare, but your boss is more strict and you have to work hard under your boss. Fifth one, your mistakes are yours. Do not blame yourself for your defeat, just learn from your mistake and move forward. Okay, for our mistake we are only ourselves responsible. We can't blame others. Okay, if I have done any mistake, so it's my mistake. I will not blame to others that she has done this mistake. And always we are human beings, so it's naturally we are not god that we can't do any mistake. Okay, the mistakes are done by everyone, but the main thing is that we have to learn from our mistake. Sixth one, your parents were not boring. Your parents was not as boring and unimaginative before you were born. They matured after caring for and nurturing you. They took so much trouble in your upbringing that your nature is changed. Okay. As you grow up, you come in a 12th and a college. So if you are with a high profile group, your friends are with high profile, and you feel very shy that my parents are like that, and that they are not fashionable or etc. But it's very hard work to give you a better education. How they pass away from different and difficult situation also. So always respect your parents and uh, be friends with your parents, and always listen to your parents advices. Next is no second chance. Consolation prizes are only in school. In reality, the rules are different for those who fail. There are no second chances for loser. You can appear for re-exam in school if you are failed, but in real life the rules are different for those who fail. There are no second chances for loser. You can never get this time back once it is gone. Okay, so in this they are saying that do your best, and before doing anything, uh, think and do it very do it properly. Whatever you want to do, think before it. Next, in real life there are no such things like classroom and periods. You even don't get long vacations in real life. You even won't get teachers. You have to rely on yourself and teach yourself. These all inspiring words are that you can remember when you grown up. Okay, ये सारी चीज़ें आपको स्कूल में नहीं सिखाई जाती, लेकिन ये सारी चीज़ें आपको कब काम आएंगी, जब when you grown up, like when you go in colleges and you face new challenges, or when you graduate and get with a job and all things. Okay, these all inspiring words will remember at that time also. So in real life the school life is better, right? That you get a vacation of few months. There are some periods and classroom, but when you move on uh, in 20s, I think when you start with your job or when you get married, and that life you have to do it yourself. No teacher will be there to teach yourself. Okay, you have to teach yourself only. Next is, what is shown on TV is not the reality of life. In reality there is work and only work. It's very important. Okay, In real life, there is only work and work. Have you ever thought why luxurious car companies like Jaguar, Hummer, BMW, Audi, and Ferrari don't show their advertisement on television? Because they know that person who is going to buy such costly cars will never have a time to sit in front of television. This is the best thing. Okay, टीवी में जो एडवर्टाइज आती है that is not reality. It's all fake. Okay, and Ratan Tata is telling that why that luxurious car companies like BMW, Audi, they make it's a very expensive car, right? So why they don't do their advertisement? Because they think that those who are buying this car, they don't have any time to sit in front of the television and watch this fake reality. Okay, sorry, fake news and advertisement. And the last one is be humble to everyone. Study constantly and work hard. Do not tease your friends. There may come a time that you have to work under them. Okay, and being studious is not bad. Don't tease your friends. There may come a time when you will have to work under them. There are no synonyms of hard work. Time will do its मैजिक. एंड द लास्ट वन इज़ कि हमें कभी भी फ्रेंड्स को टीज़ नहीं करना चाहिए. कभी भी टाइम आ सकता है कि हमें वो फ्रेंड के नीचे भी काम करना पड़े. ओके, होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस एंड आई होप यू this all inspiring words fit in your mind and work on it and remember it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.